guys, how are you? I am Teresa, known as Gypsy T. I own Gypsy Chic business. I am a nomad. I live in my van and I travel. And I also am a traveling crafter. So I junk, I thrift, and resell. That's right. I have DIY paints and iron orchid designs, decoupage papers, molds, and stuff like that. And I recreate unique items and resell them. I have a website, gypsychic.net, where I will be selling the projects at. It's all new. The website's brand new. There's not a whole lot on there yet. I haven't had a chance to craft because I've been busy with the website and the video stuff. I just got video app software that I'm playing with, and the website's all brand new. But anyways, we have been out here on the road since 2020, since COVID had hit, and after a divorce, basically, and we were just traveling around. So we're going to be sharing our journey, our stories. We all have stories, and every piece that I recreate has a story as well. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to say right now, and you just got to follow along to see as we go. We're going to have problems. We're going to have issues. We're going to have good days. We're going to have bad days. We're going to cry. We're going to scream. And just, it's going to be a whole bunch of a ball of mess. She'll also have her little stories that I will narrate for her. You'll just have to follow along, and I'm going to be doing live events on my YouTube channel as far as craft events and stuff like that. So that will be fun, and hopefully you can join in. I'd like to one day meet up with the people, meet you all in person. So that would be fun. And then you're also going to get to see, eventually when I get my one piece of property sold, I will be getting a new vehicle. I'm kind of in the search mode right now. So I'm thinking small Class C RV because I need the space for what I do. And I'm excited about doing that because I really want to take my creativity and put it into my van. And I have stuff in here right now that I totally want to do inside my new RV or small bus. I need something a little bit bigger, I think, than a van. So I'm excited because I will be sharing that as we go along. And you're going to see sunrises to sunsets. I love them. The stars at night when we get out there. You know, beautiful scenery. You're going to see that. What you're not going to see is yoga poses, though. Nah, not this chick. I've done it. Nope, it's not for me. That's not my game. But you'll see hikes. You will see hikes and sceneries. And you're going to see the obstacles that we're going to overcome on this life. So we will also be traveling up to South Dakota to claim residency. That's in the making for spring. Yeah. So hopefully you will watch us, subscribe, and just follow along because we're all new to this. It's all new, guys. There's not a whole lot on our YouTube yet, and there's not a whole lot on the website yet. And you're just going to have to follow along. We're kind of stuck right now in Ohio in this weather. It messed my door up, and actually I'm trying to get to the mechanic today to get it fixed. See, that's a problem. It froze, but the thing broke, that the automatic thing, little spring busted inside the door, I guess. I don't know. Now I have to manually open it and shut it. That's okay. Yeah, but see, that's life living in a van. You gotta do, when your house breaks, you gotta fix it. That's what it's about, right? And if you live in a regular sticks and bricks, you gotta fix whatever gets broke. So my door's broke, my front door is broke and it needs to be fixed, so I gotta fix it. Anyways, yeah, that's about it, though. You're just gonna have to follow along and watch us and watch Gypsy if you really want to see. You don't know what we're gonna get into. You don't know what mess we're gonna get into, because I can guarantee you that we will. Yeah, it's just a messy. So anyways, if you're out there on a paved road heading to dirt, May you find your peace and your soul on that path. And you find us at the end of that journey. Have a great day, guys.